Today we are in number 40, Ashbourne Crescent. Located in Blackbrook, it's the perfect family home. It's 3 bedrooms, it's detached, got a garden, utility, driveway with multiple cars. Location wise, you are 5 minutes from junctions 25 on the M5. You are 5 minutes from Taunton town centre. Locally, you have shops, pubs, parks. It's a fantastic location, great family home. Can't wait to show you around. Come and have a look.
I need you to come around. I call it love. You think I'm crazy. You're trying to work the angles on me. You're playing with my heart. If I'm not mistaken, you're trying to work the angles on me. You cut so deep. Staying in control. You got me so high, and then you're letting me low. Looking for some trouble.
Okay, so hopefully you like that one. Great family home. Really excited for showing you guys around. Get in contact with me via email, WhatsApp, phone, however you want. I'd love to get a viewing booked in for you. Now, if you would like a valuation of your own home and would like me to come and discuss what the next steps for you might look like, I'd love that too. But in the meantime, thank you very much for watching and see you soon.